Okay, this video I will explain how to install data analysis in Excel. Okay, so untuk kita, if we want to do multiple linear regression, we have to have data analysis toolpacks in the Excel lah. Okay, so first you go to data, you don't have, okay, you see there is no data analysis here. Okay, so first you go to file and then you go to option. Okay, and then the pop-up window will out, and then you go to add-ins, click add-ins. Okay, you see that there is no active application add-ins, right? Okay, look at here, there is analysis tool pack. Okay, you click and then you click go. Do not click OK. Okay, you have to click go first. Okay, click go, and then you have to tick analysis tool part. Then you click OK. Right now, they have data analysis. So in the data analysis, you can choose any analysis you do want. So there is a regression here. Okay. That's the way how to install data analysis in the Microsoft Excel. Okay, thank you.